इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट पब्लिक की एंड प्राइवेट की. ओके, उसी के बारे में बात करें. ओरिजिनेटर भी हमने देख लिया है. प्राइवेट की इज बेसिकली अ की विच इज used to create digital signature, and public key is to verify the digital signature. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Secure system means a computer hardware or software and procedure that are reasonably secured from unauthorized access, which provide a reasonable level of reliability and correct operation, are reasonably suited to perform the intended functions and adhere to security procedures. Secured system, हम कब बोल सकते हैं कि हमारा कंप्यूटर सिस्टम सिक्योर्ड है? उसमें कोई अनऑथराइज एक्सेस मिसयूज नहीं होता है, उसमें प्रॉपरली सब कुछ है, एंटीवायरस है, वो जो भी कुछ काम करता है उस पर रिलाई कर सकते हैं, वो है. जिस चीज के लिए वो लैपटॉप या सिस्टम बना गया है वो काम अच्छे से करता है, एंड इट हैज सिक्योरिटी प्रोसीजर्स ऑल्सो. ऐसे सिस्टम को ही सिक्योरिटी सिक्योर्ड सिस्टम बोल सकते हैं. And verifying means to verify a particular document, like either you sign the document or you give a assurance that whatever is given in this document is correct, is called as verifying. Either you put a digital signature or you put a electronic signature on the document. By subscribing or by putting that signature you are verifying that document, that इसमें जो भी लिखा है उसके अंदर में agree करता है, I agree to what is written over there. Okay. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are done with IT Act also. I'll give you some questions. Please write down those questions and then we will wind up the lecture. Okay? We'll write down the questions and we'll wind up the lecture. Okay? Discuss the provisions of sections 14 and 15. Discuss the provisions of sections 14 and 15 of IT Act. Discuss the provisions of sections 14 and 15 of IT Act 2000 on secure electronic records. On secure electronic records. Discuss the provisions of sections 14 and 15 of IT Act 2000 on secure electronic records. On secure electronic records. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Same 2020 paper, second question. Discuss the documents or transactions. Discuss the documents or transactions to which the IT Act 2000 does not apply. मैंने बोला था ना, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, मार्क भी करवाया था आपसे, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द चैप्टर पूछा है एग्जाम में, अभी भी मार्क कर दो उसको. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Discuss the documents or transactions to which the IT Act does not apply. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, December 2019. Explain any 4 categories of information. Sorry, that is not the question. Huh. Again, the same question was asked in 2019 December paper. Describe the documents or transactions to which the IT Act 2000 shall not apply. So it was same question was asked. Okay, so only one question was asked and the question was repeated. Okay. Yes. 2018 December. Discuss digital signature and electronic signature. Discuss digital signature and electronic signature under the IT Act 2000. Under the IT Act 2000. Discuss digital signature and electronic signature under the IT Act 2000. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Discuss the liability of corporate body. Discuss the liability of corporate body for data protection. Discuss the liability of corporate body for data protection under IT Act 2000. Discuss the liability of corporate body for data protection under IT Act 2000. लिखा सबने?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now last June 2019 paper. Okay. If any person